thanks for the air, give thanks for the sun, give thanks for the race that you've already run. Humility keeps your feet on the ground, integrity makes your soul resound. Honesty, patience and faith so true. These are the values that see you through. In a world full of noise, be a voice of peace. Let your love increase, let the fighting cease. In a world full of hate, be a beacon of light. Stand for what's good, stand for what's right. God bless the children, God bless the land. Together we rise, hand in hand. The values we carry, the seeds we sow, will shape the future, will help us grow. So when you're feeling low, when the road gets rough, remember these values, they'll be enough. Love is the answer, love is the way. It conquers all darkness, it turns night to day. Live with purpose, live with grace. Leave a legacy in every place. Let your life be a song, let your heart be true. These are the values I'm giving to you. Values of life, Jah give us the light. Love one another, stand up and fight.